Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Binance Authenticator. To download Binance Authenticator, you can use Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Follow this step based on your device. Binance doesn't have its own authenticator application. Instead, it uses Google Authenticator to generate two-factor codes. Open your device and head over to App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. Select Google Authenticator application by Google LLC. Now tap Install to download and install the application. After downloading and installing Google Authenticator, you will need to set it up with Binance account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Now click on Profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on Settings menu. Here you will see Security. Click on Security option. After that, go to Manage under Authenticator app. A QR code will be displayed on the Binance page. Open Google Authenticator on a mobile device and tap on plus icon and select Scan a QR code. Use Google Authenticator to scan QR code displayed on the Binance. This will link your Binance account with Google Authenticator. And Authenticator will generate 6-digit code for your Binance account. Enter the 6-digit code in Binance page to complete the setup. So that is how you can download Binance Authenticator and set up in your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.